up, guys? Today I'm making another video for you guys, and it's gonna be kind of like a vlog kind of thing. It's already like, let me check real quick. It's like the time is like 12:06 exactly, and I'm at my dad's house right now, not my mom's. You can see the barn behind me. We live on a farm, bean fields, corn fields everywhere. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of like a vlog. I don't know. I guess we'll try this, see how it turns out. I don't know. I'm just driving the golf cart around a little bit because my dad's at work. My grandma's inside, so not much else to do. Might get the photo out later. Might go get some fireworks. Not sure. But if I get some fireworks, like firecrackers, I'm gonna shoot them off probably. This GoPro is gonna die, so I'll probably come back to you guys later when we get fireworks or whatever I'm doing later. See you then. I'm back to you guys because I told you I would earlier. When I was on the golf cart just driving around, the golf cart ended up dying when I was driving it around, and it died in the ditch. And so I had to get the four-wheeler out and drive, or tow that back to the shop, put that in there. Yeah, and then now I think my grandma's niece is coming over with her daughters, and so I'm gonna have a little bit of family coming over. Then my dad is gonna be home from work. It is 2:31 p.m. My dad will be home probably around 4:30. And so yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing now. Just kind of sitting in bed, listening to music, or just sitting down here. Probably gonna go do some stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do though. So yeah, I thought I'd just get back to you guys to see or tell you what I was doing. So yeah, I don't know much else to do. I mean, to record anyway. Just kind of let you know what's going on. Might go outside and do something while I am. I don't know what though. Put my boots on. I should be getting a new pair of boots soon. Yeah. Probably should shut my radio off. Alright. Alright, I will get back to you guys. So, I'm now out in the shop. As you guys can see, I got the boat. Out the shop. I don't know what I'm going to do. There's not really much I can do out here. I mean, more than just sitting inside. I could have played some Xbox, but Fortnite's gay, and I don't have any other games really. So, just going to kind of mess around out here. I'll get back to you guys if I do find something to do, probably. But I guess I can show you guys my four-wheelers at my dad's four-wheeler and my four-wheeler. So, got the Polaris Phoenix 200, which is my four-wheeler at my dad's house. Got just, it's older, I think. I don't know what year it is to be exact. This one starts real nice. This one's my dad's. It's a Sportsman, Polaris Sportsman 500. It's got the back cab on it. Pop these hatches. Then you can look inside of here. Yeah, got a little bit of stuff. Got like some charger for some stuff, and yeah, not really nothing special. I guess I could put this back in the box because I got it out. Gloves, just kind of a bunch of stuff that would be nice to have in case of an emergency. So a jacket, gloves, lunchbox, rags. Yeah, close this. Got a gas can. I got my helmet with the GoPro mount on it right there, so I can ride and record it for you guys. It clips on right there like that. You're on the helmet right now, as you can probably notice. Pop it off real quick. Wait, yep, yeah, I got golf cart. My dad's truck, Ford, F-350 Super Duty, Harley Davidson Motorcycle Edition. It's a turbo diesel V8. Oh gosh. I gotta sneeze, but I can't get it out. There it is. Okay, got the bigger tires on it. These aren't stock. I forget what they are. My dad could probably tell me. It's got a little bit of rust. I forgot where that is. Got a little bit of rust on the exhaust, but that's normal. The same thing on this side. See me in the mirror. Can't show you the license plate. I might have in the back, but I'm gonna have to edit that out. It's all dirty right now, and I just showed you again. But I'm gonna have to blur it out. Got the Camp Wahlberg, which is where we go camping at. Seasonal Pass 2018. And then over here, next to the truck, we got the Ford tractor. It's got old homemade bucket that my grandpa made before he passed away. And we use this thing a bunch. It's handy. The bucket is on a 770 Ford forks. Like it's on the I don't know what you call it, but it's a 1600 Ford tractor. It's got the shifter, and then got the clutch right here. I got the foot throttle, that little tiny lever over there, and then you got 2 brakes. We also have the hand throttle right here. And then we got medium, low, high, PTO turn on and off. We got the rototiller on the back. Yep, that's about it. And then we just built this building. Not this year, it was like 2017, but it's like this year. Pretty much. So got little door, big doors. Got the boat. My dad's girlfriend's Jeep top over there. That's about it out here that I can show you guys. Yeah. So I will probably get back to you when I don't know when I find something to do or when we go get fireworks, like I told you earlier. If we go get fireworks, I don't know. Otherwise, I'm probably going to just ride 4-wheelers. Maybe ride over to my friend's house. Yep. Maybe we'll go to Orion Fireworks. Orion, Illinois. We live in Lynn Center. My dad does. So, yeah, my mom's in the parade in Orion today, so might go to there tonight, maybe, but I doubt it. Alright, well, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I find something to do. So I am coming back to you guys right now, because we are getting ready to leave to go get fireworks. Yeah, and then I'll get back to you after we get the fireworks, and we're going to our campground. So I would probably record there. And then, yeah. Then when we come home, I might shoot off some Battle Wagons firecrackers. So I will show you guys that. This is probably going to be a long video, so I'm sorry about that. Hopefully you guys like it. I don't know about the vlogging, but I'm getting used to it, I guess. So I'm coming back to you guys, telling you guys that I'm not going to be shooting the fireworks off tonight, but we will this weekend. So I will probably talk to you this weekend, so I'm going to be ending this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Peace.